Hello, today I'm very excited to review this sample provided by Naima, and it's a touchless soap dispenser. I like the color, it's very beautiful. This is it's also an aromatherapy infuser. You just put a few drops here and you press on, and the thing will smell as your favorite oil, essential oil. So this works well with soap tablets. All you have to do is fill it with water and add some soap in here, the tablets or the regular soap. Also, is operated by batteries. You have to put the batteries on, and then once you have those in place, you are going to press the on button. Wait 30 seconds. Make this light is gonna go light, making sure that the device is on. You put your hand under here, and it's going to dispense the soap. And I also like the part of the essential oils. I hope you enjoy it. Here are some instructions. Thank you for watching my video.